everyone, I'm Carly. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Durajack's invisible trackless Adam tree. So as you can see, the first step is to install the stopper pin. The next step is to install the Adam tree motor. If you do not have any assistant beside you, you can try to look for this air pump to assist you in lifting up the Adam tree motor. Simply lift it up until the motor reaches the gate frame. After the Adam tree motor is lifted up until it reaches the gate frame, you can now use the screws given to screw the Adam tree motor onto the gate frame. The Adam tree motor has been screwed onto the gate frame. Look for the guide and place it on top of the chamber of the Adam tree motor. This is the mini wiper track. Slot in the mini wiper track into the rectangular plate. Use a spirit lever tool and place it on top of the mini wiper track. Make sure the mini wiper track is in a horizontal position. Prepare 2 pieces of masking tape and place it onto the gate frame. You will need this to do the marking later. Ensuring that the mini wiper track is in a straight horizontal position, put the marking on the masking tape to mark on the position of the wiper track. Use the drill bits to drill holes on the gate frame and then screw the track onto the gate frame. You need another masking tape as we are going to do another measurement for the release bracket later. Measure 95 mm from the center of the butterfly hinges. Do a marking. The center of the release bracket has to be placed onto the marking that we have made just now. After the marking of the position has been made, you can now screw the release bracket onto the frame. The next step is to conceal the wiring of the Adam tree motor. The first thing is use the wet tissue given and wipe the bottom of the gate frame. Remove the double-sided tape layer on the aluminium wiring casing and then place the aluminium wiring casing on the bottom of the gate frame. Place the cable of the Adam tree motor into the aluminium casing and then cover it up. The next step is to install the wall bracket. The next step is to place the triangle wing bracket onto the wall bracket. Place it as close as to the gate frame and then insert the screw. Our next step is to look for a position for the triangle wing bracket. Place the ruler horizontally. From the gate bearing, look for 120 to 130. Make sure the wing bracket is on that spot. As for the vertical part, make sure the wing bracket is facing 30 mm. When the position of the wing bracket is correct, make sure to tighten the screw on the wing bracket. Place the square hollow and the adjustable bolt on the wing bracket and then screw it. At the other end, place the M12 bolt into the square hollow and then place it on top of the release bracket. The last part is to do the adjustment. If you are facing this problem where the stopper pin does not enter the stopper, open the gate halfway, remove the aluminum hollow, and turn to adjust the adjustable bolt.